All right, traders, let's take a look at the Euro USD. The past few days, 4 days, matter of fact, we've had four bullish candles. So the Euro's been pushing up. Right now, we're up against this resistance at 4,500. And you also see this symmetrical triangle drawn in here. And we're pushed up against this upper trend line. We'd like to break this 4,500 and this trend line in order for us to have some real upside. You'd be looking at resistance at the 4,600 and the 4,682 level. This 4,682 coming off of this swing high here, and we'd like to break that level, and then you may see up to this level here where we would be looking at maybe a double top and the market hitting this level and bouncing down, or else we'd like to see it break through this resistance zone and then close on this side before we commit to any real more upside. But if you get up to here, you could look at a double top and then the market bouncing back down. Okay. But first, like I said, we want to break this 4,500, and then we'd be looking at these resistance areas, and then those are levels for you to either get into the market, or if you're in the market, to take some profit. This is decision area levels that the market has to decide: is it going to go higher or is it going to go lower? Okay. So right now, the overall sentiment on the daily time frame is bullish because we have price above this Kumo, and we have the Chiku span here, this pink line above price and above the Kumo. Okay, but you can see we have this Tenkan-sen and this Kijun-sen. Your Tenkan-sen, this green line, is below the blue line, your Kijun, and that's a bearish sign. And also your Kumo future is bearish. It looks like it's trying to change over and become bullish, but right now it's bearish, and it's flattened out here, which also tells me that maybe this market is flattening out, and you could be looking at some consolidation or some retracement. And now if we follow suit, we could retrace, bounce off of this upper top right here and go back down to this level here. Now your symmetrical triangle, you could bust out either side, so we'd have to wait and see what's going to happen here. So let's look at this on a smaller time frame, go down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, you could see we get this support and resistance level right here from this Kumo future, this Kumo top right here, and it's the 4,500 level. We got that right off of this Kumo top right here, flat top, and the market seems to be holding that level. Now we broke that level, and then now the market looks like it's trying to use that level now as support. It was resistance here, but it broke it, and now it looks like it's holding it as support. We could see the market consolidate on that area and then rise higher. The Kumo future, which was on a nice angle and thin, going with this trend here, is now starting to expand and open up and get wider, which tells me that the market is going to become more volatile, and you could see more consolidation or a retracement level. Okay, and like I said, you see this level here, that's the 4,500, and then your next level is that upper top level right here, which is the Kumo top right here, and then that level right here, which would be the that swing high that we were talking about. Now let's put in some Fibonacci levels to see where we are right now and where we could be going. Okay, if you see right here, the market seems to be starting to retrace. We may not break this level, and if we start to retrace, like I said, we could stay on this line here and consolidate in this area and then break. And then if we do retrace, here's levels that we're looking at, is this 23.6, which lines up with your Tenkan-sen. Okay, your Tenkan-sen would be support there. You got this Kumo top right here, your Kumo future top at 38.2, which would be also a level to look at for support, and then your Kijun, which would be a level for support. Now your Kijun has flattened out and starting to flatten out, which shows me that the market is going to consolidate or retrace. Okay, this Kijun does not like price to get too far away from it, so it's like walking a dog. When price gets too far, it pulls it back in, doesn't give it too much room. So the price is far away from the Kijun right now, this dark blue line, and this Kijun is going to pull it back in. Okay, so we could be retracing back down to those levels. Okay, now a lot of times when you break the Kijun, what it's a sign of is a sign of a trend reversal, but we haven't had much trending. Okay, you had little trends here and there, and if we do get down to this Kijun, we could either bounce off of the Kijun, which would be a level for you to look at where you bounce off and go back up, or else a level where it's going to break and fall back down. Now if it fell down, it will fall down. We'd be looking at this level here, because this is where we have that bottom trend line in from the symmetrical triangle, and then maybe we would break that level. If we do break that level, we'd be looking at some serious downside. But that's what we're looking at right now, and that's the way I see it. This whole chart on the 4-hour is all bullish signs. So you got a bullish Kumo future, your TK cross is bullish, your price is above the Kumo, and your Chiku span is above the price and the Kumo. So this is a pretty bullish chart right here. We're just looking at maybe some consolidation and our retracement, and then maybe the market will be back up again and bust through this level. So that's the way we see it. That's the way I see it right now, and hope I'm helping somebody. And so traders, until next time, take care, happy trading, and God bless.